Now, what are the top 5 traffic sources for beginners and why? Now, we're briefly going to go ahead and cover them within this video, and then we're going to go a little bit get go more in depth with the future slides, right? So the first one is YouTube SEO. And what is YouTube SEO? It's simply when you're optimizing your search engine, or excuse me, optimizing, as we talked about earlier, SEO, right? Specific keywords, videos that solves people's problems, right? So if somebody says, hey, I'm trying to lose weight, cool, you rank that video, and you're going to be driving traffic with YouTube SEO to your affiliate offers, right? We'll cover that in a second. Next is social media authority marketing. Social media authority marketing is simply becoming an authority on some sort of social media platform, growing a massive following of people who know, like, and trust you, of massive fans, right? And leveraging that authority to actually recommend products, whether it's your own personal products or your affiliate products, right? And then next is solo ads. Now, solo ads are more so geared toward business opportunities, right? Make money online opportunities. But there are a couple of solo ads that you can use for different niches, but we'll cover that a little bit more in depth in the future. And influencer ads are simply leveraging somebody else's authority within a specific niche, and doing a paid partnership for them to actually leverage their following to drive traffic to your offers. And then pay-per-click marketing platforms, I guess you could say, is anything like Facebook ads, Google AdWords, and so on. We'll cover a little bit more in the future.